Asori dan ya masia manyame Obofuor wasibi me nya asofo na ye decoration di kosie awufuo e wa bra ye timi sia asori dan manyame no koye sa decoration tenchirenchi e de be kire Ghanafoɔ no meme dada wo kosie ni maame no ono ankasa na assistant pastor asiwumu enye nyame a enka abrante ne yesie ni ka Obofuor maame ho enso ne me gumi na yase ebi na gu Obofuor na yase na Obofuor no ochen me okuro mu
Ajita ebusia na medwen se mama part ne Reverend Obofuor ensem kra okay na medwen se problem bi any because na Reverend Obofuor ne maame ye hu se mama part video pa na cho se wantimi maybe because na o problem bi wo yoko na wo se oko na ye hu sa video ni bi but enra ye te hwa ye nkan bi nhyem ye hu ya na se mama part aswes ti Reverend Obofuor so de dendi a enya asem kito akra entremu ni nyina ye de bro hi aba loudest and any first time I will share me make sure so be click subscribe button no so like video you comment it na share enti ensema mama part e de buy abra oye pisa video yi edidi Reverend Obofuor atem no ni nyina ne se Rebia e friend sister Akos o sorry a na odi mama part atem dis e wante ne ho asem obeba be kan nsem a enye nko an de afa ne ho na Reverend Obofuor de se sister Akos ne e kan asem a na o praise no Reverend Obofuor ye bibi anasa sister Akos no so ye damage control de ama no enti nsem bia sister Akos no e kan de afa ono mama part bia no twa se Reverend Obofuor etaye tre enti on reply sister Akos no nemom oba respond to ono Reverend Obofuor ensem de mama part abrusu bi na on say na nsen ya oye ne maame ye kra ne junior pastor sia ye frɛ no esi umu yeso wanya accident ama enya asem keto anke yesie no e de naka Reverend Obofuor maame ehu na ensem de mama part abrusu bi medofo tie bi ye ba na ye de aka no so atwa also
montage Reverend Obofuor emame the answer me ye life way na montage Akos emame no de sofo bia sorry animu ye fo bia nyina ya ye bi pen and broga bia ni wana na kasa kwachiri me but yes we ye bia eye ye nkase we ye bia to aso sofo we achi me kwama sofo we edru baabi Emma Reverend Obofuor Babon say be catch bloggers say mema blogger bia nkoma no as a reverend ordained minister evangelist prophetess and the founder and the leader of Heavyweight Champion International Ministry. Or sophobia and chesophobia ukrumha. I'm stating it vertically. Because the entire message and tag Obofuor and tag Mameno. I say Ojama by video. Everybody is trying to defend his or her you kind of saying kingdom, Mimi kingdom no, Heavyweight Champion kingdom no. I don't have anybody to defend it. I defend it myself. Also Ojama Babon saying about the video ene say Obofuor mami wu ye no I me dano Obofuor mami wu ye no I okoye ye chenchirenche ye da creation to say edi ntrom adache eho ana Yesu Kristo pie free na hima mu a eho no de atene na efu ebetere Yesu nsanifa so eho no mo beda eho no mo bedidi okoye sa da creation tenchirenche e de be kire Ghanafoɔ no meme dada wo kosie ni maame no ono ankasa na assistant pastor asiwumu enye nyame a enka abrante ne yesie ni ka Obofuor maame ho Akos enye nyame a kiesie asiwumu ti mo atwam yenu se ten ka wodi konya accident tundra eye blue black wo hwede ka na ya be ya wareho abra Obofuor ye ni maame aye no asiwumu na oda owuo mpaso ameni wu kasai the boy deserve the prayers from Ghanaians ye nyina ye nim sa so no ye nim de ekodi nyina we have the pictures, we have the car accident, we have everything. But because to protect the kingdom of Christ, see about one say na ya beka obia ne se ne obadwen ho obi beka se Obofuor maame ewu ene de asiwumu esie na kare maame ho obi beka se na Obofuor na ne waku ni maame ana opese wo san ku ni junior pastor memenda no e de kare maame ho Ghanafoɔ bia wo de obeka bola avo no so na me ka sam jira wo wo so wo jamu pie bai no be breaking news no Akos odimrika abetna simpie so ebe defend senya be ya Obofuor ni monyam ebe pie ni ministry ebe pie. That means you are trying to tarnish my ministry and white male Obofuor ministry. Min twem ma wo da. I'm doing this video to warn Rev Obofuor. Obiani me Akosua me Rev Obofuor ntem. Boni a wo mudidi mi wie ye twa wo mo ho be yi mi free cells. Minimini now. But me ye nipa bia, when you do me bad and you do me good, I always remember the good thing that you have done for me and thrown all the bad things. And thrown it away. Also, Akosua di America will be defending Obofuor. Ojaba pia ba bonten. Se asi umuti mo apai mienu. Memi di bani ehu. Pictures ni mahubi. Kano di konya accident. Memmen dan go muko si Obofuor maame no. Me di bani ehu kano. Enye si umunko an. Asofo ne baako eka ho. Ene asi umu da wo mpa so. Asa Ghana for amom pa ya Rev Obofuor kwala asi umu. Se nyame amamu a abrante no will never survive. Yeti osa who is Akosua. Me Akosua na me kanu ni hu oya blogger or na social media no so. Waya na je say what the ministry ni mu be form na what the many mu be form. Akosua Obofuor nya sofo nchen wo bia wo krom ha wo. Sanya dumu ye papa dumu che di ankwala pie ba bonten. No mo de Obofuor ni mu ye form a etimi ya ni ja. E ma ne betene simpie so. Ebe respond to ye papa dumu che di a. Me ka kire wo na say aduma nyame di ama me any ministry kita me any nipa egu me na yase Obofuor on chair me na me so me chair no. And when it comes to the preaching and the Holy Spirit ogitane de me so me kitame de and the progress egu media so nyinara obia jai asofo atem didie obia jai asofo attacking because obia jai asofo bia na obia ya ne de but Akosua Kafefe aya na dwen say watu na ni te asim so for 3 solid years. Asema mi ke obi a witness for 3 solid years. But when we say asam boni enye nguase a to Obofuor no. Also obi di ba bonten no. Obi be break ye no. Wo dimrike ba be defended. Man we say you want to defend Obofuor and white Obofuor and try to paint my ministry and myself black, you know. Every from today, I'm doing this video to you and Obofuor. Every video that you come and try to tarnish my image, I will come for your boss. Me competent to me co-bloggers in Tokwa. We are, and I'm telling you, so you're so funny when you see blogger be anywhere. It's better for you to come out and warn the person because my fear sorry I am a great woman of God. Mentina say Emma wo the so-called Akosua Kafefe. Say we your Obofuor blogger. And yama pankwa no beka for Obofuor ho. At the bonnet pie Obofuor ho a ubetumi kaba be defended. But obi kasem pafa meme ho a you will go and attack say nipa no. Say obi the bonnet be dimia you will try so the many mobile from Akos. And you wa fene me no me konto kwa I will not respond to you. Obofuor no your pay master no. I will call the man try and say you will tarnish my image, you know. Make the back call boss or no so. Sako krama and ferris over tare when nimua and ferris over train. And ferris over train. O jama baba ye video kasa si umu nya accident. Memenda ye ko si Obofuor maame ka ye si umu aka ho wo je damage control. Wa betina si ye damage control. Obe white nearly Obofuor me catch no broga bie no an kasa kwachiri cheme. It's me a video where the Rev Obofuor say as he respects his ministry aya papa dum che duan kwala e de ministry ani mu be ye form a eye ne ja e ma ne de camera sin animu e be kasa no the same thing and the blogger Akosua Kafefe e de manimu ye form a o praise no mo kan kire me say wo hu ye mon kan kira me say manka e ma ne nyansa because o blogger Akosua Kafefe o de manima ya form ma ye din enne wakwala si wo mu a wo kosie wo ma memenda ko yifu aka mu kosie ma me na akakwala anu so ko wu ama naniti mu atwa mienu ama tundura atima pem ama nim wa moa ama nipa mienu e do wuo ne nkwa hospital and personal ye nyina ye nimo but ye din. We are trying to protect the kingdom of Christ. Kasachere obroga Akosua Kafefe. Kasachere no. Obofuor kasachere obroga Akosua Kafefe. And the brogesa omutu womanisi asofo so obia jai. and a broke be any sophobia tembium, and I am a great woman of God. One of my sophia did by I am a great woman of God. Mention say, Emma Obofuor broker, Akosua Kafefe, and from a nimunya form, and me praise Obofuor, because Obofuor nye sofuor ncheme. Any panguni nasa ncheme. Na anointing soon ncheme, and your respects. Any papa be, 80, and I'm about to say, I'm a Rev Obofuor in your bema. I am not going to fight Obofuor again. But so be your tempo. Now I'm a broker, Akosua Kafefe. Edi matama nopa enwumre anopa enwumre ubia wo media yisu bia wo ye me witness Akosua sorry a otimi ye me hu video 3 times a day meti woni ma ye din na me hwe no o ye me hu video 4 times a day meti wodi ni ma ye din na me hwe no obofo hu ni nyina o eya wo fe wo hwe an kan wo dan enti see a quiet tene also ojamu pie ba abonte, and what ojam is saying, you know, is a fact. Enye kiyo is a fact. I go see a woman, no. One can some assistant pastor, I see wumu, when you accident can see, I so funny become, I see umuti, a drum you know. I cannot get I condemned to grabu. Also, obia me breaking news no, because you breaking news no, obia na send your back candy found. So to protect your image and your church and your ministry, we decided not to talk about it. And a very big trend in power. As mameka. It is a ne Akosua Kafefe no de mani maya form. Mami wait me betina simple to say the nipa abeshe me fie. Wakansam bebre. Ni nyina manfi no. And I decided say baby nyame de me level adru nyame sumu Kristo mu baby nyame de me ko abrabomu no. All the allegations this woman has made about me no. Emri pamu no. I will serve her a letter. But only the time me obi amade am fa ne court no, because they me di wadwimu dem. They me show go social media no so no. Court couldn't me nyama. Because when I take you to court, I am sealing my mouth. And they me dem no ebe show no, ebe change the odi me akwa na court. Enti na me obi amade I will not take you to court. And me come na ma me count. Also Max not for so many years. After my video am Akosua Kafefe. And now it has proved 100% confidently. Say selling man, it's me about saying I be video to favor me. Now Akosua Kafefe, you have get the capacity to go and insult the woman or in the name of say or kasem a favor me. Na se Obofuor samaba. Now what me to America? Ekoye damage control. Send ye be ya sa asem no. So I can see say you can defend some pastor, but you are trying to deform me and disgrace me, my ministry and my personality. Now when I was your Obofuor brother, on me class, and he know how many years I'm in the crew anymore. He know how many years I'm in the crew anymore. And now he know how many years I me could anymore. So I'm doing this video to Obofuor. Say on one the broker Akosua Kafefe. On to be from any mumaya from Eme Prezi wo. Want to be from a ministry any mumaya from Eme Prezi wo ministry. Enye juma. Men chema emfa men chema. On fenim guas salmon to Thomaso. Emma sa wukra wanim guasie pie na your reality she will try to come and make damage control. One more brand new baby a meme no be give and take. Me cannot crash from today bonedate say would me many mubaya for na be praise you Obofuor enye djuma da. The battle line has been drawn. Me dini agrada me catch enye kasa enye mpuatwa enye ntokwa. Say me so mu a obi antimi nyu free me some. That is me. So Obofuor person he should call Akos or he should come out and warn Akosua Kafefe say send your mimi to me medi Obofuor tem and for Obofuor any munya from enye me pejabi mi ministry no. She should give that respect to me. Me nya sofo na ye decorate decoration di ko sie awufuo e wa bra ye timi sia sorry dan manya me no. Madam, don't bring Obofuor into my hands. This time, I'm doing this video because me ne woka Me mo udin. Akos, me mudi watam. Me dimania shawudin, me dimania shawudin. And I am not going to respond to you da. Me mouse attention it dana sa me bu Obofuor. Just come and defend him. Ma chi Obofuor be si agro ni mu. Na me training na me dini be si agro ni mu a wo boss no. O boss no. I will try for everybody to know say wono do your papa. Obia wo kuro im obia ni Obofuor suban. Obia wo kuro im obia ni Obofuor asori obeyeye. Eye mere umre twam kope ba bi da ne pe ba bi tsena. Enti de ne mere twam.
Up the loudest.
Loudest.